Hey friends, we just arrived at Hilton Head Island Resort in South Carolina. Beautiful South Carolina.
Yeah, excited to see what the park has to offer.
Yeah, and it's time to wash coaches, right?
Yeah, but well, I called 2 weeks ago, and the guy is so busy here that he told me he could get to me next Friday. So that presents a problem.
It's good to be busy.
Yeah, it's good to be busy, but not good for marathon when you have two dirty coaches. So because of my good friend Jim, who's a marathon owner, he's got a little wash system. He's got a little foamer and a power washer and a reversed osmosis tank.
Yeah.
And so we're going to show you a little video of how you wash a coach when the professionals are not around. So just goes to show you don't need a big truck.
It's a double team.
It's a double team. So hope you enjoy watching Jim and I wash the marathon coaches.